This is really a fraction question from way back when. In fact, this came on the 1989 CXC past paper. It was in paper 2. It's not multiple choice, but I've put these here to give it a little multiple choice flavor. And even though it's a paper 2 question and you're allowed to use calculator in paper 2, I'm going to ask you not to use any calculator for this one and try it. So pause the video, try it, see how quickly you can do it, and we'll come back. Okay, you're back. What did you get? Let's try and work it out. You have 4 and 4/5. Remember, when it comes to fraction, first of all, turn the mixed fraction into improper fractions. This is a mixed fraction. It's mixed up with a whole number plus the fractional part. So it's 4 and 4/5. So 4 and 4/5 divided by 2 and 2/3, and that's minus 1 and 1/3, but let's just deal with this part for now. 5 by 4 is 20 plus 4 is 24/5, 24/5, divided by 3, 2, 6, 6 and 2, 8, 8/3. Alright, then here you have a fraction divided by a fraction. Remember what to do. It's going to be this fraction on the left, which is a numerator fraction, 24/5, multiplied by the reciprocal of the denominator fraction. So 8/3 becomes 3/8. Alright, so I see where I can do a little cancellation. 8 into 8 goes one time, 8 into 24, 3. So I have 3/5 multiplied by 3, and up here 3 3 is 9. So 3 3 is 9. Remember, this is really 3/1, and when it comes to multiplying fractions, it's top by top over bottom by bottom. So up here is 3 3 is 9 over 5/1/5. So this, all of this here, is really 9/5. So let me just make a note of this one for now. Let's see what's happening here. It's 1 and 1/3 all squared, which means 1 and 1/3 by itself, but let's just turn the 1 and 1/3 into improper fraction. 3 1s, 3 and 1, 4. This is 4/3 squared. When you square a number, remember, it means the number times itself. So up here is 4 4, 16 over, down here is 3 3 is 9. So it's this minus this. So let's see what happened with it over here. This is 9/5 minus 16/9. Let's find the LCM here. 5 9 is 45. We can use 45. 5 into 45 goes 9 times. 9 9s 81, minus 9 into 45 goes 5 times. 5 by 16. 5 6 30. Bring down the 0. Carry 3. 5 1 5 and 3 8. So it's 81 minus 80. So that's 1/45. So the answer is C, 1/45. Alright, so you see that? Now let's talk a bit about turning the improper fraction, the mixed fraction, into improper fraction for a while. Let me get rid of some of these for now. Let's talk about that for a little while. Here you have 1 and 1/3. 1 and 1/3. What it means, you have 1 whole plus 1/3. So I want 1/3. Yeah, that's it. How many thirds do you have in this 1 whole? You have 1, 2, 3 thirds. So that's 3 thirds plus 1/3, which gives you 4 thirds. You notice what this is? 1 and 1/3 turn into improper fraction. It is 4 thirds. Alright? 4/3. The thing is, what happens with this one? Let's talk about that one for a while. What you have here is 4 and 4/5. I had said 5/4 is 20 and 4, 24/5. Alright? 5 by 4 is 20 plus 4. But how does that really work? Let's see. You have 4 holes. 1, 2, 3, 4. Then you have 4/5. If I should divide this up into fifth, in fact, guess what? Let me get rid of these. I have this, and it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Well, all of them should really be even approximately the same size. So let me see what can happen in this case. I have a circle and I want it into fifth. Let me try my best and get some fifth. That's 2/5, 3/5, 4/5. Alright, approximately the same size. And let me just make a copy of these. Let me put this right here. This one right here. That's 3 of them so far. And this one, running out of space. Let me put this right here. Now, that's 4 holes. I need one more. I need one more. Let me paste and move it here, because I want to clarify this part, or just review, do a little revision on it. 4 and 4/5 is the same as 24/5, and I got that by saying 5/4 is 20 and 4, 24. Now 4 holes. This is 1 hole, 1 hole, 1 hole, 1 hole. So I have 4 holes there, and then 4/5. What I want to find out how many fifths are in this 1 hole. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I want 4/5. So I get rid of one of the fifth. And what I have here is 1, 2, 3, 4/5. Good. How many fifths do I have here? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5/5, plus another 5/5. That's 10/5. And another 5, that's 15/5. Then another 5, that's 25th. I have 25th plus 1, 2, 3, 4/5. So I have 24/5. You see that? So saying 5/4 is 20 and 4, 24 is just a shortcut. Alright, so that's it for that question. Hope you get the idea of what I'm talking about, right? I'm going through this. You can understand the details of how the background of the maths work if you plan to go into studying mathematics or science, any of the STEM subjects: science, technology, engineering, and mathematics. All right, so it's good to understand the background of how the maths work if you plan to go into any of these subject areas where you will need to have a deeper understanding of mathematics than most other people. All right, so here, that's it for now. See you later.